Chapter 5.4, example number 3, graphing a linear function in function notation. So we're going to graph the fx equals 2x plus 5 by making a table and using a coordinate. And first we're going to plot the coordinates and then connect them to find a graph. We used to graph the same type of equation in a standard form, if you remember, like y equals 2x plus 5. Now we're going to use it fx equals 2x plus 5. So we are going to use some of the negative numbers. So we're going to choose x values. X values are not given. So we're going to choose some of the x values as -2, -1, 0, and 2. We're going to plug that values into the x and going to find the fx or y value. So -4 plus 5 is 1, and our coordinate or our point is going to be -2, 1. So it's going to be -2, 1. Our next value is going to be -1 for x, and then we're going to plug it in for x value. So you're going to get -2 plus 5, and that's going to be 3. Our next coordinate or next point is -1, 3. Next we're going to put x as 0. So f of 0 equals 2 times 0 plus 5. So 0 plus 5 is 5. That's 0, 5. Next we are going to use x value as 1. So f of 1 equals 2 times 1 plus 5, and that's 7. 1, 7. Next value is 2. So f of 2 equals 2 times 2 plus 5, and that's 4 plus 5 is 9. Our point is 2, 9. Now we're going to plot these order pairs. So these are the points that we're going to plot on a graph. So our first point is -2, 1. -1, 3 is this point. 0, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then next is 2, 9. When you combine these, you're going to get a line graph. Chapter 5.4, you try problem number 5. So you're choosing the x value as -2, -1, 0, and 1 and 2. And you're plugging the -2 into the x value here and finding the f of x at x equals -2. So when you plug it in, you get 3 times -2 minus 2. So that's -6 minus 2. That's -8. So the point is -2, -8. Next, you're going to plug it in -1. So 3 times -1 minus 2 is -3, -2, that's -5. So the point is -1, -5. Next, you're plugging in x value as 0. So 3 times 0 minus 2 is -2. So your point is 0, -2. When you plug it in x as 1, so 3 times 1 minus 2 equals 1. So 1, 1. Next is 2. So f of 2 equals 3 times 2 minus 2. So 6 minus 2 is 4. So 2, 4. Now you're going to plot all of those points. So 2, -8, -1, -5, 0, -2, 1, 1, and 2, 4 to get the line graph.